Good morning, friends. In this lecture, we are going to solve sum number 15 of bank reconciliation statement, which is given on page number 297. From the following information, prepare bank reconciliation statement of Margi. The information given to us is an abstract of passbook as well as cash book. Friend, this sum is like sum number 10 and 11 we have seen earlier, where the balance where they give us abstract of cash book and passbook, and we need to make bank reconciliation statement. We know how to solve this sum. Here we will be starting with the balance of any of the book, and then we will be comparing debit side of cash book with credit side of passbook, and the credit side of cash book with debit side of passbook, and then debit side of passbook with credit side of cash book, and finally the credit side of passbook with debit side of cash book. Right? By doing so, whatever entries we will find which are there in one book and not in other book, those entries will be the reasons of difference. So let us start with the sum without wasting time. Let us start with the with the balance. Now we can see they have given us passbook first, so we will take the balance of passbook and we will start with that. Which balance we have to take out of opening and closing? So we very well know we need to take closing balance, and here we can see the closing balance as per passbook is rupees 80, which is given at the debit side. That means it is a credit balance. So credit balance as per passbook, we very well know it is called bank balance. So let us start with bank balance as per passbook rupees 80. Here it is. Sum number 15 bank reconciliation statement of Margi for 2015 December, and first item bank balance as per passbook rupees 80 at the credit side. Next. Now friends, I'll compare the cash book debit side with the credit side of passbook. Debit side of cash book shows first of all opening balance 4000, which is already there at the credit side of passbook, and then rupees 2000 for Mayank, so Mayank 2000 is also there at the credit side of passbook. Then Gaurang rupees 1900, which is not there at the credit of cash book, which is not there at the credit of passbook, so 1900 of Gaurang will be a reason of difference. Then friends, Bhupendra 2400, as we can see there is no such amount or name of Bhupendra at the credit of passbook, so this is also the reason of difference. Then Chandini rupees 3200, we can see there is no Chandini or no 3200 rupees at the credit of passbook. And then commission rupees 600, that is check receipt from Mira, so we can see there is no name of Mira or any amount rupees 600 at the credit of passbook. So these four items, 1900, 2400, 3200 and 600, these four items which are there at the debit side of cash book but not at the credit of passbook, so these four items we will be crediting in our BRS. So here it is: checks deposited but not credited in bank, Gaurang 1900, Bhupendra 2400, Chandini 3200 and Meera 600, total amount 8100 at the credit side of our BRS. Okay, so our debit side of cash book is over. Now we will take credit side of cash book and we will see whether they are there at the debit of passbook or not. The first item at the credit side of cash book is 3200 Ahmedabad Electricity Company. Here it is there at the debit of passbook, so not a reason of difference. Then Premal rupees 700, friends, we cannot find Premal here. When we will go through the debit side of passbook, we do not find any such amount or any such name Premal. right? So this is a reason of difference. The same for Sales India. Sales India is here at the credit of cash book, but there is nothing like at the debit side of passbook. And then Kamal rupees 400, Kamal is also not there at the debit of passbook. Then Amina rupees 900, Amina is there at the debit of passbook, so not a reason of difference. And then by interest, the check issued to Bank of India rupees 5000, there is no such amount or name Bank of India or rupees 5000, so this is also a reason of difference. And finally balance is given, that we will be finding for. So finally at the credit side of cash book we find 4 entries, 700, 2000, 400 and 5000, which are not there at the debit of passbook. So we will be debiting these 4 amount at our BRS. So here it is. Checks issued but not presented for payment: Premal 700, Sales India 2000, Kamal 400, Bank of India 8100. Total amount 8100 at the debit of our BRS. Next, friends, we have compared our debit side of cash book with credit side of passbook and credit side of cash book with debit side of passbook. Now we will compare debit side of passbook with credit side of cash book. So here the first item is debit side of passbooks. First item is 3200 Ahmedabad Company Limited. We have seen this amount was there, here it is, so not a reason of difference. Then second item is rupees 1600 Divyang, 1600, this item is not found here, so this is a reason of difference, the 1600. And then Amina 900, so Amina is there at the credit side of cash book, so not a reason for difference. And then bank commission rupees 20, so bank commission is not there at the credit side of cash book, so this will be a reason of difference. And then Ahana rupees 500, this amount is also not there at the payment side of or at the credit side of cash book. So when we compare our debit side of passbook with the credit side of cash book, we found 3 amounts, 1600, 20 and 500, which is not there at the credit of cash book and there at the debit side of passbook. Right, so these 3 amounts we will be writing in our BRS. These 3 amounts we will be crediting in our BRS. Out of these 3, Divyang and Ahana, these are what the check issued and paid by bank but not recorded in cash book, we can see. And this rupees 20 for bank commission, we can interpret it like bank debited for bank commission, which is not recorded in cash book. So all these 3 amounts we will be crediting in our BRS. Here it is. Third one, check issued paid by bank but left unrecorded in cash book: Divyang 1600, Ahana 500, total amount 2100 at the credit side of our BRS. Right, and then bank debited for bank commission, which is not recorded in cash book, so rupees 20 is credited here. Okay, next. Now friends, debit side of cash book is compared with the credit side of passbook, credit side of cash book is compared with the debit side of passbook, and then debit side of passbook is already compared with the credit side of cash book. The only thing is left, the credit side of passbook is to be compared with the debit side of cash book. So let us do it. Credit side of passbook, the first item is 4000 balance, which was already there, opening balance it is, and the second item was rupees 2000 for Mayank, so this amount is also there here at the debit side of cash book, rupees 2000. And the third amount is rupees 300 for dividend, which is not there at the debit side of cash book. And then there is no other item, so only one amount, which is for dividend, which is credited in passbook but not debited in cash book. That means bank has collected and credited dividend and which is not recorded in cash book, so we will be debiting this in our cash book, in our BRS. So here it is. bank collected and credited dividend which is not recorded in cash book. Bank collected and credited dividend which is not recorded in cash book. Okay, so this we have recorded here at the debit side of our BRS. Now friends, our sum is over. We will be making total and finding difference. When I make the total, there are 4 items at the credit side, rupees 80, 8100, 2100 and 20, and the total is 10,300. And debit side there are only 2 items, 8100 and 300, and total is 8400. So when I deduct 8400 from 10,300, I get 1900 difference at the debit side. So here 1900 is the difference at the debit side. Now we have started with the balance as per passbook. So this is balance as per cash book, and as it is debit side, that is debit balance as per cash book. We know debit balance as per cash book is known as bank balance. So we will write here bank balance as per cash book. Bank balance as per cash book 1900. Same we can check in our sum itself. When we go to the sum, we can see here the 1900 is the